Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A38 and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So the soft reset operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly, so for example it does not respond to your touches, so this option will be useful as I said. All we have to do that is to actually press the power button, which is right here, and volume up button together and wait until we will see the black screen and the developer's logo and the device will be restarted. So let me try to do it. Let me press both of those buttons simultaneously, and as you can see, of course we've got this restart option. However, let's pretend that we cannot tap on it because the screen does not respond. So keep pressing all the time, keep pressing, and as you can see we've got the black screen, which is good. And wait, because we should also have the developer's logo, and fortunately we've got it. So right now all we have to do is to simply wait and our device will restart the system, and hopefully it will work perfectly fine again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.